Oh God! Oh my God! Hello.
Hello.
Long time no see. So we're having a nice day. I just got back in San Ramon. I was in Samra for like a month for reasons. They've been in
Sounds so shady. You were just learning how to speak
reasons.
English.
I wasn't anything too shady. But you know, I like to be mysterious. So we're just kind of walking around. We're in the park right now. There's a church. And I'm gonna go get my nose pierced. So that's fun.
We're moral support.
Yes, moral support. So yeah, we're gonna see what we're gonna do today. So stay tuned. We'll figure it out.
Whatever that.
What are you doing? Yeah. One up there, yeah. That's hot. Sorry. Let's see.
Boom, boom, got it done. Here's a nice little close-up of my face. I know you want it. Yeah, so there you go. Got my nose pierced. And goodbye. All right, we're back. We're in the kitchen, obviously. I want to make some curry, so that's what we're gonna do. I got my cooking assistant. She's locked and loaded. So yeah, we're making curry. I do not have a recipe, but I'm just gonna throw some shit in a pan and see what happens. That's what I usually do, and it tends to work out. So we're not breaking the cycle. I think you have to rinse this first, but I don't know if I have like a small enough thing to rinse the rice. So we might just eat some dirty rice, but shh, don't tell. Aha! Give her a good rinsey rinse. And ooh. Probably could have done that a little bit more gracefully, but live and learn. It's everywhere. Oh my God. Like it never even happened. So that's cooking. It's gonna be this, a wrinkly ass pepper, and some chickpeas. Don't you eat my pepper belly. I see you. I'm watching you. I also have garlic. I don't know if you're supposed to cook garlic. No, this is ginger. I have ginger. I don't know if you're supposed to put ginger in curry, but I'm just gonna do it. Like I said, don't have a recipe. We're just seeing what happens. But I am gonna put a lot of garlic in it. That's always, that goes in everything. Just saying. Potato time. I'm gonna cut out this much potatoes. I'm just guesstimating. We'll see if we want to add more. We will add more. Here. Always buy the little ones because it's easier to cut. They're faster. Full life hack for you. You're welcome. Just giving you out free ideas. Done with this. Going back in the bowl for later usage. Lots of potatoes. Always add potatoes. Always. Give her a good rinsey pill. Gotta take this stem out first. All right, how do I do this without cutting my entire hand off? We'll find out. Okay, it's not that bad. That barely took anything out, so we'll just cut it in half. That worked. Work smarter, not harder. Alrighty dighty. Just beauty scoop these all up. And then slice and dice. I'm trying kind of small so they cook fast because I'm lazy and I don't want to wait that long. Alright, this is just starting to become a little mound of cauliflower and broccoli. And hopefully it'll all fit. I'm going to use this whole head. We ain't wasting nothing. I want a lot of leftovers. Okay? It's like Tetris. No, stay. Alright. Well, we got a lost cauliflower, but I think we have extras. I'm going to cut this whole thing up. And I might add another little bit because shits and giggles, you know. Excuse you, sir. What are you doing in the sink? That's Sawyer. He's a weirdo. What are you doing? Boop, boop, boop. We got this little extra guy we're just gonna add in there for funsies. Get off all the cat hair. That's a requirement. Or optional, you know. I mean, if you like it, you can leave it in there. I don't know your tastes, so it's up to you. Cut. I think I should cut up another half.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
It's a lot of that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
An onion.
An onion? Wow!
Cebolla.
Oh, uh-oh. This one might have gone a little ripe. Ooh. My eyes are already watering. Oh no. Why don't you tell me there was this piece of hair sticking out of my head? There we go. Hopefully I look presentable. I'm really trying to make an effort here. Oh, shit. Woo! Rude. She just laughed at me. Ah! Please stay getting good. It's just getting worse. And if it works, I need a snack.
Hey, you want to check my butt from here?
Always. Let's get cooking. Alrighty, so we're gonna do a little dabby dab of oil. Get everything lubricated. We like it when it's lubricated. Rice is done. Have fun. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, which isn't much.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna add all this broccoli in here. I mean, cauliflower. Same kind of shit. Should I add the potatoes? Yes. And we're gonna do a little mixy mix. And we'll let these steam up, get all nice and cooked. Wink. Hey, hey, hey! No! You stinker? What you doing? You let her do that? Wow. Just rude. Rude, my friend, I say. Rude. It's toasted up. Boink. I'm gonna throw the garlic in here too as well. And screw it, we'll throw the ginger as well. Just for funsies. Sorry you missed it, I added the chickpeas. I knew you were really excited for that part, so I wanted to let you know what happened. Coconut milk that may or may not have cat cooties in it, but you know, it's fine. Okay, I feel like I can just turn this off because it's warm. I lost a freaking pepper. That's sad. Oops, don't judge me. Shitload of curry seasoning. So how many people does it take to open the curry?
So complicated.
Oh, there we go. Okay. Ooh, don't want to do too much, but a lot actually. This is the dangerous side, but I like to live life dangerously.
You want to pour it in my hand first?
Yes. Look at that. That's what friends are for.
That's why you have roommates.
All right, that's good. Toss her in there. A little bit of black pepper and a good mixy mix. Al denso. Ended up I have this Indian seasoning, Indian curry, and then I added this as a little extra. And now, yes, come please. Come, gracias. That's what she said.
Oh, I know.
Or he said when he couldn't do it. Yum, yum, yum. I'm so excited. Stick a fork in it. All right, we'll try it. Ah, es muy caliente.
Blow on it. I don't know how to do that in Spanish. That was
Neither do I.
supposed to be for my chair. She like laid down already.
So she did.
Face down.
That's prime. What the hell? Just brought over brownies and a spider. Yeah, look at that. Brownies.
Oh, it's cheesy.
Lost a bet.
No, it's just a baby.
It's just a baby.
It looks like a birthday spider. It's got
Oh
a big
my
head.
god. You can do it. I believe in you.
Oh, no, she's gonna do it now. Look at me.
Oh my god. It's like I'm not scared of spiders, but that's a big ass spider.
It's a small spider, right?
That is not a small spider.
Really
Yeah,
not.
come here, look at it.
Oh my
What happens when you lose a bet?
I know.
Look at
I don't. Man, I wish you had lost a fucking snake. I would rather have held the snake.
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay,
Sure.
can I hold it for like 10 seconds and then I'm done?
Yeah.
I mean, if we lose control over it,
Okay.
we just don't have to move that much, or even
like I'm gonna put my hand right here, and you're gonna have to like hold.
Oh my god.
Man, we're gonna have to wait until it comes out.
Oh
Hey,
god.
I'm so excited. I'm so. My heart is beating so fast right
Yeah,
now.
no, I'm just gonna wait.
Oh, I thought it was cheesecake. I'm so disappointed.
Oh shit.
Ooh.
I didn't like that. It's so loud.
Face your
So
fears.
sweaty.
This is a snake. This would be a totally different situation for me. What was the bet?
I don't even know.
Oh, I remember. We were guessing what time the food was gonna come out at a restaurant.
So you bet that you would
He was gonna. He hates getting in the ocean, so I told him he had to get in the ocean, and I.
Wait, so why did I get in the ocean though?
We lost another bet.
We should call it something so she's gonna come up.
No.
What's the name?
I
Geraldine. First thing that popped in my head.
Just don't breathe on it, okay?
Yeah.
Try not to breathe on
I'm
it.
only hyperventilating. I don't know what you want me to do.
If it bites me, I'm not gonna put it on you, don't worry.
That's great. Thank you.
Oh shit. Come here, man.
I don't think I can.
You ready? She might run. Ready?
Oh my god, what? Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't want it to come at me.
It's not a jumping spider.
Okay, good.
I'm gonna need to take a shower after this. I feel like I just like ran laps.
Oh god. Oh my god.
This is all you have to do, like
I can't.
15 seconds.
I can't.
15
Oh
seconds.
my god, I can't.
Oy, oy, oy.
Don't breathe on it.
I
Don't
can't.
Look, Mike, she's super chill
That's
right
great.
now.
That's great. That doesn't help me at all. I
You wanna
can't.
hold it?
She's the one that lost the bet.
Like this or like this?
I don't. Well, neither,
Okay.
preferably, but.
Just chill. I'm gonna count as soon as she's in your hands, so just wait. So we're gonna start counting. Wait. Alright, wait.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
It's not my
Oh,
fault.
shit.
No, it was enough.
No, we need
It
10
was
seconds.
enough.
Oh my god.
Sawyer, no.
Sawyer. Yeah, make sure he's out there.
Did you feel anything?
Yes.
Okay. No, you didn't.
I did. I felt it on my hand.
Alright,
It's
so
there, it's there, it's there.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Take it, please, dear God, get it off my hand, please.
Alright. Can you look at it?
Yeah, I did. I don't like it. Please take it.
Wait, slow. Don't try it. You did it, man.
Great.
There you go.
Oh, shit.
You did it. Oh my god.
Look, I'm so scared.
But you did it.
I'm so scared.
You did it though.
I'm like, no, it's fine. I held it already.
Oh my god.
You said it was pretty easy, right?
It literally can't be as bad as my reaction.
Okay.
Babe, do you want me to take a video?
Yeah, sure. Fucking A.
Just wait in it, because it's gonna make you jump. Alright, ready?
Why am I doing? Oh shit.
You got it,
So
you got it,
weird.
You got it. Wait, not yet. Are you gonna throw it?
No.
Okay, good.
Are you sure?
Oh god, it tickles. It tickles so much.
It doesn't.
Okay, do you want 10 seconds also?
Ah!
You don't owe me anything, so you.
I know. Oh my god.
It's been 5 seconds. 6, 7, 8,
Okay.
10. That's 10. That's 10.
Wait, are you counting?
I counted. It was.
Look at this.
Oh my God.
So cute, man.
So weird.
He doesn't like it. What are you doing, bud?
What's wrong with your face?
He really doesn't like it.
Oh, he doesn't like it. Oh, poor boy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, thumbs up, subscribe, all that dumb shit, you know what it is. But yeah, I'm probably gonna be posting a little bit more often now that I'm home. So yeah, stay tuned. Get excited for weird shit. Anyway, bye.